everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about gift cards. Gift cards might look simple, but then it affects your customer loyalties, liabilities, and even your cash flow. Stick with me for next few minutes. I'll walk you through the exact Shopify gift card report to use and how to get a clean audit-ready view. And if you ever lost track of gift card sales, in which orders they are being used, and gift card balance, in this video, I'll show you where gift card data lives in Shopify, build 2 essential reports, and when a reporting application is useful if you need product information, order information, notes, tags, and etc. Gift card data is available in 2 different places in Shopify. One in product section and analytics section. In product section, it displays all physical and digital cards created by you or through any third-party application. Once a gift card is generated from Shopify or an external app, you cannot view the full digital card code. Only the last 4 characters are visible for security reasons. And in Shopify Analytics, it keeps simple with 2 core angles: your outstanding gift card balance and your net sales from gift cards. That's basically what you've actually sold and what's still on the books. Now, let's see outstanding gift card balance report. This report breaks down exactly what's happening with your gift cards over time. You get issued date, starting gift card balance, issued gift card value, disabled gift card value, redeemed gift card value, refunded gift card value, ending gift card balance, and the net change in gift card balance. On top of that, you can layer in additional columns, things like gift card discounts, gift card taxes, and more, depending on how detailed you want the report to be. And you can export this in CSV format for accounting. It is a solid high-level view tracking liability and movement without diving into individual codes. Next is net sales from gift cards. This report treats gift cards like any other product you sell. Just open the report, set the date range, and include details like orders, customers, payment status. This is perfect in understanding how much revenue you're pulling from selling gift cards. Shopify gives you sales data and balance data, but it doesn't give a single grid that shows gift card issued, gift card redeemed, gift card refunded for individual gift card. So usually you'll have to export 2 different reports and reconcile everything manually. Now, this is where things starts to break down when you need a single audit-ready view. If you want to see per gift card or per customer the gift card amount issued, redeemed, refunded, and outstanding balance, and also who created it and where it came from. For example, it could be Shopify admin or POS location or any third-party application. If you want to see all this information at one place, Shopify doesn't give you that. That's where a reporting tool like Report Pundit comes in. In Report Pundit, you can build a consolidated report of all your gift cards, the issued amount, redeemed amount, refunded amount, and remaining balance, all tied together with your order. You can also enrich this report by including customer information, order notes, customer notes, or any custom fields that you use in Shopify. This is a sample gift card overview report. This has gift card ID, when it expires, last characters of the gift card note, gift card balance, initial value, and the redeemed amount. We also have Shopify order ID and customer ID. With these 2 columns, we can pull in any custom columns that you have in Shopify. You can filter this by date, customer, and even schedule it straight to your email or Google Sheets. We've also got another report called Redemption by Customer. This one shows you exactly how and when customers redeem their gift cards, along with the linked order and payment details. It's a great way to measure repeat purchases and see which customers come back to spend, and also understand how gift cards drive loyalty. When you want low-hanging wins, head to the unused or expired gift card report. In here, you'll instantly see which gift cards still have money on them and which one is expired. This is great for accounting and easy remarketing. So instead of manually merging outstanding balances and net sales by gift cards, use Report Pundit. Report Pundit gives you a unified view where you can see gift card issuance, redemptions, refunds all under one roof. This will cut down errors and a total time saver during the month end. And that's the walkthrough of gift card reporting. Start with Shopify's outstanding balance and net sales by gift card report. Move to Report Pundit when you need a unified view. And since it's a unified view, you can customize it to your business requirement, schedule it to your mailbox or Google Sheets, and get it every month without any manual crash. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Shopify deep dives, and drop a comment if you have any question or the topic that you want me to break down. See you in the next one.